Mistakes within an order pipeline can be a waste of precious time or lead to potentially costly repercussions. That's why the Authentise platform has different levels of access where only administrators have total control of orders and their parameters. Although every parameter can be customized to give more or less access to each user role, admin users can see every parameter during order creation. Creating an order is the first step in the journey from idea to reality. When you create a new order, you will first be asked to specify order level details. After completing the required fields, you will be able to create a line item by selecting a model file and specifying the required parameters. To improve the performance of the order page, line items are now collapsible. You may also export a line items model file or any other uploaded additional document by clicking their file's hyperlink name. As the order's STL files are uploaded to the platform, the estimates can be reviewed in greater details and on a per line item basis along with associated runs and part history. An interesting feature here is mesh quality, which informs you of any defects in the CAD, like non-manifold geometry. Every change to the order's parameters will be immediately reflected in the cost and time estimate. Admins can access any order in the bureau and modify any parameters therein. Learn more about Authentise's platform and its features in the upcoming videos.